Hey guys, what's up? Welcome on Top Fishing Videos. I'm David. So you are in the right place if you like fishing and fishing videos. So before watching this one, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell. So see you after this video. Now let's watch.
We've had some weeks of continuous bad weather, all the way from the Cape right round to KwaZulu-Natal. And in all of this, Rian Rademacher decided to take a family trip to Stilbaai, with his kids swinging the camera around. We thought we'll bring you some of the action.
Okay, that's the one. I'm using a double hook. For the bottom one, I'm going to use a 0.45 fluorocarbon, mustard size 1, and just a moonshine worm. So no float on this one. I'm going to go for some Bellman and see what happens. I'm just keeping an eye on the other rod. I've just had a pull there. Also with the Bellman, I like it. Nice long streamline bait as well. I prefer to have the heads in the top. The heads are tough, you know. And yeah, the bottom part of the hooks, we just sink the hook in a bit. Let's go like that. Give me something to feed on as well. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so both traces are going to look like this. So you have your bronze beam trace with a little float. There you go. Alright guys, look at that, beautiful red Roman, piece of oculeg and some chocker wrapped around it. Get a beautiful colours on that fish. I use a 4.0 Adenian circle hook. Perfect, look at that. Not going anywhere. Stunning fish. Let's put it back.
Rian is quite the expert on edible fishing and scratching along the Western and Southern Cape areas. Even though he still fishes for non-edibles, he specializes in all the edible fish and reef species alike. Also welcome to Yakita Bait and Tackle Cape Town. As one of the ASFN supporters, if ever you're in the region, make sure you visit Yakita Bait and Tackle.
Alright, this is a little blacktail. Well, it's a very nice blacktail so far. Those are the moonshine worms in a little circle. Perfect hook up, I put the lost two very nice fish earlier on, so and Leon got nice Cape toughness, so at least there's a fish in the water. Let's see if we can upgrade this one a bit. Right in the corner right there. I'm going to take some measurements and release him again. It's probably about 30 centimeters a length. klippe vast zitten nou. Hang uit.
Thank you all for watching ASFN. Please like the video, that really helps us. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also hit the bell notification button to receive a notification every time we upload a new video.
Yo, so thanks for watching this fishing video. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and put a thumbs up. See you, bye bye guys, take care.